So I've just left Parliament. We had a very brief committee session meeting, and so far I've been on the phone trying to make contact with some of the agencies so that I can provide you with an update. So many of you have been reaching out to me regarding the water crisis that we are facing in the constituency. So I just got off the phone with NWC to see how best we can have this matter resolved. The unfortunate is that I don't have any allocation left in order to truck water to any community. Most of you will recall that we got $2 million last year as a constituency after Hurricane Melissa to truck water. That $2 million gave us 50 loads of water. Clearly, the 50 loads of water would have been finished already. If you think about it, a big community like Brace River, for example, the minimum that I can send in terms of on any given day to that community would be 3 or 4 truckloads of water in order to make any serious dent at all. So that gives you an understanding as to where we are in terms of how quickly the water goes. So for those of you who have been reaching out, I see your messages. For example, those of you in Olive Park, unfortunately, I don't have any water allocation left for the constituency. I am going to be reaching out to the minister with responsibility of water and hope and pray that he can send us some water or send an allocation that will enable us to have water in the constituency, at least until the new financial year starts, when we get an allocation through the CVF. But for now, we don't have any water allocation so as to facilitate trucking to any community right now. As it relates to the pump in Union, so currently there are 2 pumps in the constituency which are out of operation, the Union pump and the Content pump. So the Union pump supplies the greater Balaclava area, and so I know many of you have been without water. So I've made contact with NWC, and the issue surrounding the Union, the lack of water in Union, it's twofold. One is that the pump is not energized, so they were operating off generator power. But then 2, the pump developed mechanical problems, and so they had to take it out. So there's no pump at Union right now. So that's why you're not getting water. NWC has committed that they will be able to give me an update by Thursday, because they are trying to see how best they can have the pump repaired. In the meantime, I'm also going to be working towards reaching out to JPS to see if they can energize the line, so that by the time that the pump is repaired by NWC, once there is power, we shouldn't have any challenges getting water to you. So that's for Union. As it relates to Content, the pump at Content, which supplies the Santa Cruz area, that one is still not up. Many of you would recall that I last gave you an update indicating that the quality of the water is not up to standard, so they can't pump the water through your pipes at present. So Southampton pump is still the pump that has been used and is being used to send water to areas in Santa Cruz. Now, I understand the challenges. I see your message regarding persons who live in the Northampton area where the pump is, and you've indicated that you're not getting water even on days when there is water in the line, water at the pump. I've spoken to the NWC about this, and they've promised to look into it and again get back to me by Thursday and indicate what is the problem and how they can solve it. Going forward, because Southampton pump is a pump that is being used to send water to areas in Santa Cruz, something that it was not designed to do, but just to alleviate the problem, what I've asked the NWC to do is to try their best to give me a schedule that I can share with you, so that you can know which day your area will actually get water. That is for those of you who are in the Santa Cruz area, which ordinarily would get your water from Content, but now will be getting and have been getting your water from Southampton. So in a nutshell, that is where we are in terms of the water situation in the constituency. As it relates to road work, we have a couple of updates. Some of you, those of you who are vigilant, you would realize that there has been some patching that has taken place. Patching started yesterday from Tombstone, coming straight up to Butters. So the creators which were in the road, especially those at Pepper that you spoke to me about, those will be addressed. Now for those of you on the back street, I did reach out to NWA because you did mention the number of potholes which are there. Unfortunately, they have indicated that they can't give me a commitment as yet. So I will keep making some checks and making some representation on your behalf in that respect. For those of you who signed up for the Bridge program, which is a program which allows you to get the stipend of about $60,000, regarding those of you who submitted an interest in or indicated your interest in the carpentry construction program that was offered through HEART, you would have been contacted today, and well, you would have been contacted before, and you would have started your orientation today. So that is where we are, and that is the state of the constituency. So that is where we are, and I keep you posted as we go along. So we have a lot of work to do, but we are making progress.